In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Metabase to Google Analytics. We'll move your Google Analytics 4 data into BigQuery and then hook that up to Metabase so you can explore and visualize it with ease. Start by opening your browser and searching for Google Analytics 4. Click the official Google Analytics site, verify the URL looks correct, and then choose Go to Analytics. Once you're in the interface, head to the bottom left corner and click the gear icon to open the admin area. Under the property settings, find Product Links and select BigQuery Links. Begin the linking process, choose the Google Cloud project where you want your analytics data to live, and confirm the data location. Enabling daily export is typical. Streaming export is optional if you need near real-time data. Make sure billing is enabled on the selected project so exports succeed. Next, open a new tab and search for Google Cloud Console. Click the official console link, go to the console, and select the same project you just linked. From the left sidebar, open IAM and Admin, and then Service Accounts. Create a new service account with a clear name and description. When prompted for roles, add BigQuery Data Viewer, BigQuery Metadata Viewer, and BigQuery Job User. These roles let Metabase read metadata, view data, and run jobs without overly broad permissions. After creating it, generate a new key, choose JSON, and download the file. Store it securely and avoid sharing it, as it grants access to your data. Now head to Metabase. Search for Metabase and open your instance, then log in. Go to the admin settings. In the Databases section, choose Add a Database and select BigQuery as the type. When asked for credentials, upload the JSON key you just downloaded and enter your Google Cloud Project ID, exactly as shown in the console. If your Metabase version asks for dataset or processing location, match the BigQuery export location you selected earlier to avoid region mismatches. Save your settings. Metabase will test the connection and begin syncing your GA4 tables from BigQuery. The initial sync may take a few minutes depending on data volume. If something fails, double-check that you linked the correct property to the correct project, that billing is active, and that the service account has the 3 roles assigned. Once the sync completes, you'll see your GA4 events data available to query in Metabase. From there, you can build questions and dashboards on top of BigQuery. Keep your JSON key safe and rotate it periodically as a security best practice. That's the complete setup. Metabase is now connected to your Google Analytics data through BigQuery.